Triangle DEF is a right triangle. What is the measure of angle EFD? So this one in this corner. We have a 57-degree angle, and a right angle has a measure of 90 degrees. So the two of these combined add up to 147. To figure out what's left over for this angle, we need to subtract. And the measure of angle EFD is 33 degrees. Number 9 says, in the diagram below, line 1 and line 2 are parallel. We have two different transversals, R and S, cutting through them. Determine the measure of angle JMK. So we're looking at this angle over here. We're going to again set up a claim and evidence section. I might actually do it at the bottom, just so I have more room to write. All right, so we know that J and M, or angle KJM, and LM, there's no point out there, but those two are the same measure. So we're going to say angle M, the measure of angle M, that should actually be a capital M, is 39 degrees. And the reason that we know that is because with these two parallel lines here, this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. So now we know that this one is 39 degrees. But this forms a straight angle. So by straight angles, we can figure out the angle that it's asking us about. Because 180 is the measure of a straight angle, but we have 72 and 39 so far. So we have 101. To find out that difference, we can subtract. 10 minus 9, or 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 1 is 6. So this angle here is 69 degrees. There are other ways that you could attempt to solve this problem. So let's look at some other possibilities. You could say that this angle is 39 by alternate interior, and then do a straight angle here. You could also say that this one is 72 by vertical angles, and then by corresponding angles, this one has to be 72, and you can use a triangle angle sum of 180. So there's a couple of different ways that you could do this. This one that I did here was just 2 steps instead of 3, but there are more than one correct answer for this problem.